So today I'm going to teach you how to build a Canvas page using Google Slides. So here is 5 different slides that I built that I want to put into Canvas. So I'm just going to start with my first one, and I'm going to select that slide, and this one is what I'm going to use for my home page for Canvas. So now that I've got it selected, I've already built it. The links are already embedded in that for where I want students to go, which you'll see right down here. Okay. So now I'm going to select that one slide and hit File, Make a Copy, Selected Slide. I just want that one slide at a time. I'm going to title it Copy of My Home Page so I know what to look for when I embed it into Canvas, and hit OK. Okay, now that I have a copy of that one slide so I can load it into Canvas, I'm going to hit File, and I'm going to say Publish to the Web. Then I'm going to take it from Link and select Embedded, and I'm going to say Start Slideshow as soon as it loads and restart. Hit Publish, hit OK, and there is my embedded link. So I'm going to press Command-C to copy it, and then I know I have my embedded link to put into Canvas. So now I'm going to select my Canvas page, and I want to view all pages, make a new page for my new home page. And I'm just going to title it Home Page, so it's an example. Then I'm going to select this box, and then right here where it says Insert Edit Media, and I'm going to switch it to Embedded, and then I'm going to Command-V and paste my code in, hit OK, and it is all loaded. So I'm going to save my new home page, and now you can see that my home page is up and all of my links on my home page are working as well because I already embedded them into my Google slide. And then I'm all set, and I can go on to the next page that I want to build in Canvas.